Onion rings. How to make onion rings. First of all, make sure you slice the onion into rings. To do this, place the onion on the side and slice from the top depending on what size you want them to be. Next, separate the rings. Some will be perfect, some will be not. If they break, it's fine, they are still usable. Next, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Add in 40 grams of cornstarch or potato starch. Add in 1 teaspoon of paprika for the flavor, salt and pepper for the taste. Next, add in water bit by bit while mixing until you get a creamy texture. In another bowl, add in the breadcrumbs. You can use whichever ones you like. Place them side by side. Now, dunk your onion first in the batter. Make sure to coat it very well, and then in the breadcrumbs and coat it very well and place it on a plate. Add in 2 inches of oil into a saucepan and wait until the oil is nice and hot. And then add in your onion rings. Fry for about 2 minutes or until a desired color. Be careful not to burn them. And then there you have it, onion rings made real easy. If you want to see more videos